As today we talk about how can you disable Reddit notifications on your Reddit app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, just go above this photo, click on it here. So when you click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. And all you have to do now, you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do, just click here on account settings. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then you click here on manage notifications. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just go down here and you come here to Reddit here. Click in this sign or this color. The like you see color, it's gone. That's mean Reddit notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.